In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw in Bluebeam. So the first thing you want to do here, of course, you want to open up a document, and then on here, if you have this right-hand panel enabled over here, you'll be able to draw using these different objects. So for example, if I choose the pen over here, I can go ahead and just draw over here and draw anything I want here on my canvas, okay? So that's the first way. Of course, you could go ahead and draw lines over here. You could go ahead and add in different arrows. You could add in different arcs, stuff like that. And if the objects you're drawing can be symmetrical, holding down your shift key on your keyboard will make them symmetrical. So as you can see, I have a rectangle. I can customize it however I want, but if I hold down my shift key, it's going to always make a square, okay? So that's basically how to draw. But if you don't see this right hand panel over here, or if you don't see some things they may be missing, you can go to the top, click on Tools, hover over Markup, and in here you should be able to see all the different drawing tools. You can just select the one you want, and then you can go ahead and draw here on your canvas or on your project. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.